Hello guys, in today's video, one of the best-selling electric bikes on the global world market is the DYU latest e-bike, the T1. What is the reason for this huge success? You can find out more in this video review. After unpacking, reading the clear instructions and relatively quick assembly with this tool that we received in the package, we finally have an assembled product, and that is, as you can see, this DYU T1 e-bike. Whether you are a daily commuter, an urban explorer, or someone looking for a fun and efficient way to stay active, this electric bike caters to all your needs. The DYU T1 is an exceptional electric bike that seamlessly blends elegant design, powerful performance, and remarkable portability. Whether you are navigating your daily commute, exploring the bustling city streets, or embarking on the exciting adventure, the T1 promises not only comfortable and efficient ride but also an infusion of style into your journey. Portability is, of course, one key feature of the T1. Its affordable design allows you convenient storage and transportation, making it ideal for individuals with a limited space or those who frequent travel. With just a few simple steps, the bike can be easily folded down to a compact size, enabling riders to carry into the public transportation, store in the tight spaces, or even put it in the trunk of the car. The lightweight frame further enhances its portability, ensuring that it can be effortlessly maneuvered and handled. The T1 provides excellent value for its features and performance in a market where electric bikes frequently surpass the $100 mark. The T1 stands out as a more wallet-friendly choice, all while maintaining its commitment to essential features and performance. The T1 features a well-engineered magnesium alloy frame that combines strength and lightweight. Its foldable size ensures easy storage and transportation, while the spread size provides comfort during rides. The T1 showcases the design that incorporates several notable elements, including a magnesium alloy frame and a foldable size, a 20-inch wheel hub size, and attractive frame color available in a gray or green. The frame color options over gray or green add a touch of personality to the T1. The frame color enhances the overall visual appeal on the bike, making it stand out from the crowd. With its 20-inch wheel hub size, the DYU T1 achieves an optimal blend of maneuverability and stability, rendering it versatile for navigating both urban landscapes and rough terrains. The responsible handling and easy maneuvering afforded by these wheels facilitate smooth navigation through crowded streets and effortless traversal of uneven surfaces. Its impressive weight capacity ensures that everyone can enjoy the thrill of riding the T1 without limitations. Equipped with the front and rear disc brakes, the T1 ensures dependable stopping power and heightened safety for riders. With their swift and efficient braking capabilities, riders can trust in the T1 to deliver a secure and controlled riding experience. Featuring a Shimano 7-speed transmission, the T1 enhances its versatility, enabling riders to effortlessly switch between gears to adapt to various terrains and personal riding styles. Whether conquering steep inclines or gliding along flat pathways, the 7-speed transmission offers a diverse range of gear ratios, optimizing pedaling effortlessly and ensuring a comfortable ride. Incorporating a sophisticated shock absorption system, the T1 prioritizes ride comfort by effectively dampening shocks and vibrations expected during rides. This feature minimizes rider fatigue and promotes a smoother, more enjoyable experience. With the weight of 22.5 kilos, the T1 is achieve a harmonious balance between portability and stability. Its lightweight construction facilitates effortlessly maneuverability and transportability, while simultaneously providing sufficient weight to enhance stability and durability during rides. Boasting a IP54 waterproof rating, the T1 shields against dust and water splashes from any directions. This valuable feature ensures riders, especially in rainy weather or wet conditions, offering peace of mind. The T1 is equipped with a powerful motor rated at 250 watts, delivering a reliable and efficient performance. This motor provides necessary power to assist riders during the journeys, making uphill climbs and long distances much more manageable. With its 250 watt rating, the motor strikes balance between power and efficiently, ensuring a smooth and responsible ride. Capable of reaching a maximum speed of 25 km per hour, the T1 allows users to reach their destination swiftly and efficiently. This speed is suitable for urban commuting, ensuring the safe and controlled ride in a city environment. Although the T1 doesn't include a pure electric mode, it incorporates electric assist mode that enhances the riding experience. This mode utilizes the electric motor to provide assistance to riders based on their pedal input, seamlessly integrating human power with the electric power. This approach ensures a natural and efficient ride, allowing users to enjoy the advantages of both electric and manual pedaling. The T1 integrates a small torque sensor capable of accurately measuring the pedal torque, cadence, and speed. This advanced sensor technology intelligently detects the rider's pedaling force and adjusts the motor assistance accordingly. By precisely measuring these variables, the torque sensor ensures a seamless and natural riding experience by delivering the right amount of power at the right time. Furthermore, the T1 is equipped with a 10-hour battery that powers the electric motor, providing the necessary energy for efficient and enjoyable ride. With a battery capacity of 10 hours, a rider can expect a decent range, allowing you to travel to extended distance before requiring a recharge. The battery is rated to DC 36V, which is a voltage at which it operates. This voltage is optimized for the performance of the motor and other electrical components of this e-bike. With a charging time of about 5 hours, the T1 battery can be fully replenished relatively quickly. This enables riders to confidently recharge their bike overnight or during the workday, ensuring it's primed for their next adventure. An outstanding feature of the T1 is this removable battery. This design allows users to effortlessly detach the battery from the bike for charging or storage purposes, adding convenience and flexibility to the e-bike usability. For those who are seeking a dependable, efficient and environmentally friendly mode of transportation, look no further than the DYU T1 electric bike. With its array of advanced features, sleek design and top-notch constructions, it stands out as a leader in the electric bike market. The T1 is a perfect combination of elegance, power and practicality. With its innovative folding design and lightweight frame, a comfortable ride and easy transport are guaranteed. Thanks to the 20-inch wheels, disc brakes and Shimano 7-speed transmission ensures stability and exceptional versatility on any terrain. A smart torque sensor ensures that every pedal stroke will provide optimal motor assistance, while an easy-to-remove battery ensures incredible convenience with a quick charge of about 5 hours. DYU T1 bike boasts the incredible load capacity of up to 120 kg, catering the wide spectrum of users. So don't forget, promotional prices available right now. Now is the time to pick up your DYU T1 e-bike. Don't miss the opportunity and start your adventure today. So if you are impressed by these many features of the T1 e-bike, and I'm sure you are after this review, official sales links are confidently provided below this video. Seize the opportunity to benefit from the promotional pricing currently available. Don't delay, order your new DYU T1 e-bike today. Act quickly as the quantities are limited. That's all for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon in the next video review. Bye.